everybody, my name is Bob and I'm with Novatto. Here today to talk to you about one of our stone vessel sinks. This is the red Travertine and the model number is NOSV-RT. So I'm going to highlight some product features and some different nuances of it and just give you a little bit of information just to make sure it's going to be the right sink for you and your design. So first thing is, it is 17 inches round and they're always going to be 5 3/4 inches tall. This is got a nice flat polished rim and also the inside is polished. And you can kind of see just some of the character, even though Travertine is very consistent, this one has a little bit of character to it, and that's just Travertine as a whole, but color-wise, it's always going to be very, very consistent. So what you see here is typically what you're going to get when you open the box. All right, so onto the drain. This is a standard 1 3/4 drain for your standard plumbing connection. On the outside, you can kind of see some of the coloring too a little bit and just some of the character. It goes right through the sink and blends onto the outside. Very unique. On the bottom here, we got a flat bottom, smooth, and that makes installation really nice, quick and seamless really, because you'll simply just put some adhesive on and you'll place it on your countertop, kind of just like so. And especially after you install your drain, it's going to be very secure. It's not going anywhere. These weigh in right at 25 pounds, so very heavy, very durable sink. We do recommend the umbrella drain just because the umbrella drains have a little bit longer threading for you. You know, down here at the base, you got to get through about 3/4 inches of stone, and then also your granite countertop or your stone surface, whatever you have. So it's just going to make sure you have enough threading to secure it. That's why we recommend the umbrella drain. Lastly, after you install this, we do recommend with Travertine especially because it's a little bit softer and a little, typically on average, a little more porous. We just recommend that you seal it. You know, if you're installing this with your countertop, just do it at the same time. We have a phenomenal product called Glacier Ice, and that really bonds with the stone and is going to help any water spotting or any mineral buildup or anything like that if you have hard water in your area. So it's really going to be a phenomenal product. Usually one application lasts a full year. So depending on your usage, of course, it's going to make it look like new for many, many years to come. That kind of wraps it up as a whole. If you have any further questions, feel free to give us a call or give us an email. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks.